Hey friends, if you wish to enable the immersive reader mode in Edge or on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So open Microsoft Edge, okay, and then go to a file where you actually have a reading document. Otherwise, the immersive reader mode is to read a document without any interference. So you need to make sure that you are on that document, okay, and that's why I come to that document, and then you'll either find the immersive reader mode in the address bar, or you'll have to click on these three dots here. This is the symbol of the immersive reader mode, a book with an audio symbol next to it, or you can simply press F9. So that's a shortcut key, F9. Select immersive reader and you see all the ads and everything are gone, and now it's in the reading mode. And the paper is, I mean, the page is a little creamy type, which means that there isn't enough blue light in it, and then you can read it, and obviously the font has changed as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.